from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico teachers renew their push for collective bargaining, and a new park is nearing completion in Eastern Henrico. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, February 26, 2024. It's brought to you today by Anchor 619.
And now for the news.
Last week, the Henrico School Board received nearly 200 comments from school system staff members urging the school board to support collective bargaining for teachers. Those comments filled almost all of the 29 pages of online comments received prior to the February 22nd public forum online. And leaders of the Henrico Education Association, which considers itself the county's labor union for teachers, said that more than 1,000 staff members signed authorization cards in favor of launching contract negotiations. HEA committee co-chair and Henrico High School teacher Elizabeth Broda told school board members that the forum comments and authorization card signatures prove that many staff members want collective bargaining. She said, quote, "Please know that this number could also be much higher. Our data isn't accurate because countless staff members are too scared to participate," end quote. The HEA is hoping that school board members will introduce and then pass a resolution that would allow employees to negotiate the terms of their contracts by using the HEA as their negotiator. If not, the organization would have to collect signatures from more than 50% of teachers to force the school board to vote on collective bargaining. The school board now contains a majority of Democratic members, even though it is a nonpartisan group officially. That could make the board more likely to support the effort. You can read much more about this topic right now from our education reporter Leanna Hardy on henricocitizen.com. Well, Henrico County's newest park, Taylor Farm Park in Sandston, is nearing completion and is expected to open sometime this summer. It'll be the first new park for the Varina district in more than 40 years and will be located just off Williamsburg Road near the Chickahominy YMCA. The 99-acre park will include a 17,000 square foot skate park, a 12,000 square foot pump track, a nature-based playground and splash park with a running man-made stream, along with a number of other amenities. The project costs about $20 million, and you can read more about it right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, from our partners at WTVR Television. A resolution in the General Assembly would designate April 11th through 17th as Black Maternal Health Week in Virginia if lawmakers sign off. The week is intended to raise awareness that black women are dying from childbirth at a disproportionately higher rate. Senator Lashley Aird of Petersburg, whose district also includes portions of Henrico County, introduced Senate Joint Resolution 23, which passed the Senate and awaits House approval. She said it is the next step of many in an effort to raise awareness about what is occurring in the maternal space, especially among black women. Virginia is among the top 10 U.S. states for highest maternal mortality overall, according to the resolution. And while maternal deaths are on the rise for women of all backgrounds, the risks are even higher for black women. The number of pregnancy-related deaths in Virginia rose from 53 to 82 between 2019 and 2020, according to the Virginia Department of Health. Black women in the state are 1.67 times more likely to suffer from pregnancy-related deaths compared with their white counterparts. Ready to bring in new business? Anchor 619 is your secret weapon for all things marketing. Founded by a Henrico native who has spent the last 5 years consulting businesses at Facebook, the founder is bringing her team's unparalleled expertise right here back to Henrico. Visit anchor619.com today to secure a branding, public relations, or paid media strategy session for just $250. Don't wait to get started. Sign up at anchor619.com today.